Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. So today we are here to do a role play which is based on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So I am Khushi. I am going to do the role of Subhash Chandra Bose.
I am Prachi and I am going to play the role of Britishyan.
I am Sudha. I am going to play the role of Labor.
I am Jyoti. I am going to play the role of Labor.
I am Karan and I am going to play the role of Mahatma Gandhi.
I am Chandni and I am going to play the role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
I am Kanak and I am going to play the role of Tatya Tope. I am Kashish and I am going to play the role of Bhagat Singh.
I am Gulabsha and I am going to play the role of Mangal Pandey.
I am Shaheen and I am going to play the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
I am Saloni and I am going to play the role of Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
I am Preeti and I am going to play the role of Rani Lakshmibai.
I am Anushka and I am going to play the role of Chandrasekhar Azad.
I am Akriti and I am going to play the role of Narendra Modi. Are you coming here for sitting?
No.
Today I will not give you your food.
Sorry, sir.
I don't know.
Why are you crying?
I wish I could buy freedom.
But freedom is something that we can't buy.
In India, Gandhiji came from South Africa on 9 January 1915.
Oh, this is my country, India. This is in very bad condition. I have to do something for my country. I will give them freedom from British.
Non-cooperation movement.
British, leave our India.
Yes, leave our India, leave our India, leave our India.
We want to see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as a Prime Minister.
Yes, we want to see.
Thank you all of you to give me this golden opportunity. I promise that I will fulfill all of your needs by honesty. Let us host our national flag at Red Fort.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय.
Now we are going to remember our brave heart freedom fighters, and first we are going to recall the sacrifices of Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. He did very great things for India. He known as father of nation. He killed by Nathuram Godse. Thank you for. Now we are going to recall the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September in 1907 and he was died on 23rd March in 1931. Bhagat Singh was an Indian revolutionary freedom fighter who was hanged to death by British colonial at the age of 23 years, and he was known as Shahid Bhagat Singh, and he was considered the national hero of India's freedom struggle against the colonial rule. Now we are going to recall the sacrifices of Mangal Pandey.
Mangal Pandey was born on 19 July in 1827. Mangal Pandey was an Indian soldier under the British. Mangal Pandey attacked on British officer on 29 March. Mangal Pandey was urged his fellow soldiers to not use rifle. On March 29 in 1857, Mangal Pandey was died on 8 April in 1857. Now we are going to recall the sacrifices of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 and he was died on 15 December 1950. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was an Indian freedom fighter. He did lots of great things, like he merged India into a country. Like in India we have so much states. Every state wants their own country. Like Hyderabad wants their own country, Mumbai wants their own country. As Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel merged all these state and union territories into a country. Now we are going to recall the sacrifices of Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897. Subhash Chandra Bose was Indian nationalist whose defense of British authority in India. He also known as Netaji. We call him Netaji because he was role of Indian independence movement, and he was part of many movements, and that's why we call him Netaji. Now we are going to recall the sacrifices of Tatya Tope.
Tatya Tope was born on 16 February in 1814. His full name is Ram Chandra Panturang Tope. Tatya Tope was a close friend of Nana Saheb. Peshwa's adopted son Tatya Tope was defeated the Indian troops of East India Company in 1857 and famous for guerrilla tactics. He was died on 18 April in 1859. Now we are going to recall the sacrifices of Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak joined the National Congress in 1890. In 1904 to 1908, Bal Gangadhar Tilak had to undergo 6 years of imprisonment in Burma. Now we are recall the sacrifice of Rani Lakshmibai.
Rani Lakshmibai is remembered for her valor during the Indian immunity of 1857 to 1858. She was the one of main activists of 1857. She was the main activist of 1857 to revolt initiative by Mangal Pandey. Now we are going to recall the sacrifices of Azad.
Chandrasekhar Azad catch by at the age of 15 while participating in Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi non-cooperation movement. Azad participated in several violent crimes, notably the Kokori train robbery 1925 and the revenge killing of a British police officer 1928.
Since 2014, we got a new Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Freedom is something that we can't buy. It's the struggle of many brave-heart leaders. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival. We got the independence on 15 August 1947 from the Britishers, who had ruled 200 years or more than even it on our country. After getting the independence from Britishers, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister, and he hosted the flag at the Red Fort nearby Delhi's Lahori Gate. After hosting the flag, the salute was given by firing 21 guns, and a helicopter shot tricolor flowers on our national flag. On this day, we recall our great freedom fighters and their sacrifices. We should proud to be an Indian because on 15 August 2022, we will complete our 75 year of Independence Day. So, thank you for watching our.